Ideas are sometimes the best. So many people build houses and waste money on a lot of rubbish and fancy things, but all the practical things they forget about. Drying clothes. If you don't live in a city and you've not got room for a tumble dryer, or you didn't want high bills, then that's the way to go. Make facilities for drying. Daytime, or nighttime, sorry, if it's raining or not very good weather, they can stay here. Then, if it's warm weather, they can go outside. So there's no problem at all, eh? And also, inside kitchens, just put an outside kitchen, and I think this one maybe 18,000, something like that, to build it. It's a mess, but it's used every day to make good food, and it's practical and it works. I think maybe shelves on the back wall, and basically just get her to tidy. She doesn't tidy up. She's always working, or we're so busy doing things, and we're untidy basically. But we need to probably get a cleaning lady in to tidy it all up. But today we're going to be getting a new electric car, so after that I'll try to get solar energy and make panels to charge the car. So just small practical ideas what to do. Okay. Drying clothes is something people don't think about, but it's very important.